folks, how are you? So today's video is all about sketchbooks. Yeah, I have a bunch of those. So let's just jump right into it. So when you think about a sketchbook, it's like a book which has amazing realistic portraits like the ancient masters, or amazing cartoons, or the amazing characters illustrations, or sceneries, environment drawings, or etc. But you never think about a sketchbook with a lots of trash and rough drawings, rough sketches, and the scribbles and all of these things. So today's video is all about it. It's all about that rough sketchbook, or we can say it, we can call it, we can name it as a trash book. Yeah. So today's video is all about the trash book. Let's see. So you can make thumbnails, rough sketches, or many things, the scribbles for your masterpieces. You can practice once, twice, thrice on your rough sketchbook, or we can say a trash book. After doing this, you can come to these things like the masterpiece. As you can see here, I have done a masterpiece. No, we can't call it a masterpiece, yeah, but a good piece of illustration after doing a bunch of scribbles around my rough sketchbook. So it's important to scribble. Yeah, it's important to scribble. So having a clear sketchbook, or we can say a main sketchbook, in which you can make some of your masterpiece or something like these, that means a good piece of illustration, you should carry that. But you not to forget about a main thing in these things. These are only the masterpieces. These are not the behind the sketches, or we can say how much practice or how much things are there to make that sketch behind. So likewise, that's important to carry a rough sketchbook in which you can do all those scribbles. As you can see here, all these scribbles, just one pencil, another, and everything, like sort of overlapping the things, not having the right things here, just doing some random scribble. This is the thing in the rough book. You can do anything you want, just do it. Any line, any shape, anything you can make. There's no fear of a masterpiece making. Just anything you can make, just make it. Like, no matter what I have done here, it is not looking good, it is looking ugly, no problem, I can do anything. And it is only tagged as a rough book, right? It is tagged as rough book, and you have all the rough scribbles around it just going through your mind, or the brainstorming thing. Likewise, I have done some of the skeletons, some of the skulls here and there, to make something like called the masterpiece, or a good sketch, like these, like this, or like this. For making these type of sketches, you need to scribble around. It is really necessary or important. No problem. How the eyes goes, how the nose goes, no one is here to see it because it is a rough sketchbook, no matter what is going around. This will help you to learn what and how can you make something how can you make a skull or anything. You can practice here on the rough sketchbook. Yeah, anything, like if I have made this thing, how the eyes can go, anything I can do. I can make it fully circular, both circular eyes, one small, one big, one rectangle, one triangle, anything. Yeah, for just seeing the result, for the experimenting. Yeah, so it is my one of the trash book, or we can say experimenting book. And this is my another trash book, as you can see. Yeah, so these are the trash book. To after filling these trash books for the months and months, after that I can able to make masterpieces like this or like this after filling these trash books. Yeah, so filling these trash books or just experimenting is very important. See, I have learned here, written here, let die your expectation. Yeah, so likewise I have bunch of stickers over it, like here also. Yeah, basically the point of this video is not to show you some of my sketchbooks, not showing the sketchbooks on the videos, not the sketchbook tools or like this. This is only for to make you aware about the importance of the trash book. Instead of the masterpieces, instead of the books with your masterpieces, you can have something like called trash books, where you can experiment with the shapes anytime you want. No fear of it will correct, please don't be ugly or like this things. Yeah, so things like that you can do in your rough sketchbooks. So that's it for this video. And if you made one by seeing this video, please tag me on Instagram, Artaholic Ashwani, it's my ID. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one.